Hi viewers, this is Excel VBA and net present value formula function video using Excel 2013. So first of all, I'm going to record the macro. I'm going to paste the formula into by going to the view tab and then going to the macro section and clicking on record macro. I'm going to name this macro NPV underscore FX and click on OK. Then I'm going to stop the macro. Then I'm going to go to the macros section of the view tab. I'm going to click on view macros. I'm going to delete the old macro I had there for NPR, and I'm going to go back there again and view macro and edit the one I want, which is the NPV for net present value. I'm going to delete all that data and paste in my code, and I'm going to comment out all the theory stuff. So you can see here my macro is called NPV function. It starts off by saying range C2.formula array, which is saying insert my formula array formula into cell C2, and it says equals and quotes because formula arrays always have to have a quote after the equals. Equal NPV, which is basically going to insert this exact same formula written here into Excel, equals NPV bracket A2, which is cell A2, which holds the rate, comma B2 to B6, which is the value array, which holds a range of values. So if I do a file close, you can see my rate in cell A2 there, 12%. My value array of list of values from cell B2 to B6. My result gets inserted into C2. If I click on macros and click on run, the value is entered here to say the net present value equals 2,439. And you can see here in the formula bar the array formula there, which says equals NPV bracket A2 comma B2 colon B6. And if I go to view macros again in the view tab, the macro section, and click on edit NPV function, you can see the macro I created.